This video is a tutorial about secret voting in VIP. In the beginning, it will show you how the voting pages look like, and then it will explain how the secret voting works inside the system. On the VIP welcome page, your delegate will see a button which allows to start the voting procedure right away. Voting in VIP is composed of two steps. First of all, selecting the vote, and then confirming it. Let's select now the vote for LPG Timișoara. On the confirmation page, the delegate is informed that the submitted vote cannot be changed afterward. As well, it is possible to see a preview of the email which will be sent to your LBG after the vote is completed. Now let's confirm the vote. After your vote is submitted, you will be directed to the page showing the voting status. First of all, you should carefully check the message on top of the page, because it tells you whether your latest action was successful or not. If your vote was correctly submitted, the message will appear with green color, otherwise it will be in red. Then, on the same page, you can check which other LBGs have already voted. For example, now only LBG Timișoara has submitted a vote. Shortly after sending your vote, you will receive an email from VIP. In the case of secret voting, this email is even more special because it contains a serial number of your LBG corresponding to this vote. You can see it here. In order to explain what this number is, let's see what happens in the background of the secret voting pages. This is what you have already viewed. The delegate goes to private area and submits a vote. Afterwards, the system creates a random unique serial number which is sent to your LBG. Pretty simple until now, isn't it? Exactly in the same time, the system also has to store your vote and to remember the fact that your LBGs has voted. This is done by saving the data in two separate places, which makes it impossible to know afterwards which LBG voted what. So basically, step 2 and step 3 are happening in the same time. In the end, the system knows all the LBGs that voted on the proposal. This also means that one LBG can only vote once. As well, the system collects all the votes and serial numbers, which means that any LBG can later on check that their vote was submitted correctly. Let's go now back to the system and see how a finalized secret vote looks like. By the way, notice that this is not the real system but just a testing playground of ITC. And here it is, an old proposal presenting a secret vote. Let's see the results. When viewing the results, we actually see just the serial numbers connected with the votes. Neither the system or other LBGs cannot find out who voted what. Instead, each LBG can check its own vote. Just look in the email for your secret serial number and then check it on this page. So when the voting period is finalized, you should come to this page and make sure that your vote was submitted correctly. As well, you can count the final results yourself. If you are just interested to know who voted, go back to the status page. It is linked in the menu. In case of this proposal, you can see that all the LBGs have submitted a vote. And that's it. Now you have learned about the secret voting in VIP, how the pages look like and also how they work.